action. What's up, my people? This is the Mighty 4 Dub. This is Mr. Greenleaf, and this is D-Train. And today we're here not to promote a show. We're here to promote the holiday spirit for Joe Martinez for the Silver and Black Angel Foundation and Smiley of the Raider Nation for Life Car Club. We are asking and challenging all who see this for your help. The Silver and Black Angel Foundation is throwing a Christmas party for a lot of beautiful kids, and unfortunately these kids have cancer, on December 23rd. This is a time for the kids and family to leave the hospital for a moment, to have a good time and enjoy Christmas. We are collecting toys and blankets for these kids that can't leave the hospital. No kid left behind. This is our version of the Raider Nation Make-A-Wish, which we just gave not too long ago. We are planning on 35 kids coming to the party. We have their wish list, and we love to grant everything that they ask for. So if you, some friends, maybe your co-workers, maybe your booster club, or any kind of organization you're involved with, if you want to like to sponsor a child, or a few of them, you can call Smiley at area code 562-852-5538, or you can call Joey Martinez at 562-305-3405. For more information to see how you can help, or send a toy or a blanket for the other kids at the hospital that can't make it, the party will be fun for the kids. Raider Claus will be in the house. Remember, this is a time to count your blessings. All of us happen to be real blessed, and so let's just, God has blessed us to be a blessing to others. This whole world, this earth is made on sowing and reaping. So if you sow bountifully, you reap bountifully. You know what I mean? And let's bring a smile to these kids' faces. So remember this to count your blessings. So on behalf of Joey Martinez, Smiley, the Silver and Black Angel Foundation, and 4 Dub, we'd like to say thank you. God bless. And also remember, it's going to be a potluck also. So you can bring, you can bring a dish, or you can donate a dish and donate money if you want to by calling those numbers that I just gave you. So once again, this is 4 Dub representing the Mighty Raider Nation, and we would just like to say thank you, everybody. God bless, and go Raiders. All day. 4 Dub. 4.
Hey, you want to disappear again?
Yeah, let's disappear.